Hi, my name is Pink Lee, and my topic is about alcohol. Nearly 700,000 of students who age from 18 to 24 are assaulted by another student who has been drinking each year. Tips of using alcohol safely. If you have exams or activity the next day, you probably will prefer to drink another day. Please plan your schedule ahead so you will not run into those issues. If you're planning to engaging on sexual activity after drinking, making sure you bring appropriate protections. Remember safety first. Trying to eat before drinking alcohol or during it can decrease you getting drunk. Drinking a lot of water to get all those alcohol out of your body. No remix of sugars or energy drinks with alcohol. Try to avoid from eating salty foods while you're drinking because salty food make you thirsty and then you will drink more and then being drunk. If you need help for alcohol, please call 888-439-8486 or call 911 immediately. Don't wait for the last minute.